What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some accessories made by Zeera for the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So here we have a clear case with MagSafe magnets built into it for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Here we have a really nice braided cable that is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Now this is the main attraction. This is their 3-in-1 portable folding MagSafe charger. Now it's very deceiving. All you see is one charging pad here, right? Now there's three. So you can charge two phones at once. You can charge your phone, you can charge some AirPods, and you can also charge your Apple Watch as well. This easily folds up and you can put it into your pocket, your book bag, whatever, easily charge on the go. Now this also does come with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, or you can use their braided USB Type-C cable. Very nice. Now as far as the charging wattage is, this can input a max of 12 volts at 2 amps. You can max output 15 watts wirelessly for your mobile phone. You can max output 2.5 watts for your watch and 3 watts for your AirPods. Now you can charge your phone on the little AirPods charger as well, but you're only going to get about 5 watts out of it. The other side of the charger that's made for your phone, like I said, can output about 15 watts. So we'll go ahead and plug in our charger here. If you can see, there's 2 red dots that just lit up. Pop up the little watch charger there. So I'll go ahead and take my iPhone 13 Pro Max with the case that has the MagSafe technology built in. I'll go ahead and put it over the charging pad here. As you can see, it just clipped right into place and it is charging. This side will do 15 watts. This side will do 5 watts. And I'll go ahead and take my iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'll go ahead and put it on this side. So now that's charging. As you can see, the 2 little LEDs have now turned blue to let you know that they are charging. And then I have my Apple Watch Ultra here. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the charger. Now there's 2 different ways you can do this. You can either lay this down or you can have it popped up so you can see what's on your watch. As you can see, that just clipped into place, and I know you can't see it, but it is charging. So I'll go ahead and push this down, and then I'll put my watch over it again. And there you go, as you can see, it is charging. So now I have 3 devices all charging at once on my one pad. This is awesome for on-the-go charging. And if you truly want this on the go, you can always use this with a power bank as well. And just to be clear, because I may not have made it apparent, but the side with the little magnet, that is the side that has the MagSafe that is for your phone. The little charging signal over here is mainly for your AirPods, but like I said, you can also use it to charge your phone. It's just going to charge at max of 5 watts. I'll take the side with the MagSafe, and it's strong enough to hold up your phone. And if we take off the iPhone 13 Pro Max, here I have my AirPods case. We'll go ahead and put it over the charger here, and as you can see, the little LED just turned orange to let you know that it is charging. So there's a few different configurations you can have here for charging. Very nice and versatile. And if you really just wanted to charge up all your small mobile devices, you can always do that too. So here I have my AirPods Pro, my AirPods 2, and my watch all charging at the same time. And to show you again that my watch was charging while this was popped up, I'll go ahead and hold it up and I'll put my watch on there. There you go. So you can have it either way. You can have it laying down or you can have it standing up. This is a awesome little charger. Very nice. So in case you're wondering, this charger is super nice and light. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels really nice. Everything is covered in this nice soft silicone feel, and it does have silicone for the folds too, so you don't have to worry about it cracking or breaking. And everything is held in place by magnets, so you don't have to worry about this flopping all around in your bag or your purse. And you don't always necessarily have to have it totally unfolded for you to use any one of these chargers. So if you just wanted to charge your Apple Watch, you could simply just fold all these underneath just like that and just have the Apple Watch charger at the top. And the same thing goes for your phone. If you just want to charge your phone on the top, you just simply put it in this configuration and you can charge your phone. This little charging pad is probably the coolest folding charging pad that I have ever seen, and it seems to work really well. Now, when I said this charging pad was versatile, I really meant it. This is the most versatile charging pad that I've ever seen, let alone it being mobile. Now, if you want to charge your phone and everything flat like this, you can, but you also have the option to have your phone angled towards you in case you want to watch Netflix or YouTube or something like that. And the way that you do that is you simply flip this over and then put these two ends together just like this. And now you have a portable stand. So you can take your phone, you can clip it onto the MagSafe thing here, and then you can watch something in landscape mode. And yet another way that you can use this is by simply rotating this just like this. Now you have your Apple Watch charger exposed as well as the MagSafe side, so you can charge your watch and charge your phone while you're watching something at the same time. So you simply put your phone on the MagSafe charger just like this. It is now charging, and then you can take your Apple Watch and simply put it on the charger just like that. So if you're looking for something that charges on the go that has a lot of versatility, the Zeera 3-in-1 folding wireless MagSafe charger is definitely one you're going to want to take a look at. And if we take a closer look at their case, it is nice and grippy, feels good in the hand. Buttons are easily accessible, easy to find. If we turn it to the side, you can see there is a prominent raised edge to protect your screen. We have our raised volume buttons, cut out for the mute button, our power button on the side, our cutouts in the bottom, and then here we have the nice clear back with our MagSafe charger. And we also have a little raised edge to protect our camera lenses. Again, it does feel nice in the hand, and if you happen to have other MagSafe accessories, they will definitely work with this case, such as this portable MagSafe charger. And it looks like it does have some extra protection in the corners, just in case you happen to drop your phone as well. Now you might see these little dots in the sides of the case, and that's to keep the rainbow effect down, which is always a plus. And you can also use this case with regular wireless charging as well. And if we take a closer look at this braided cable, it feels like it's really well made. It's got some nice metal coverings over the ends, surrounded by this plastic flexible material. And the braided cable itself is nice and thick and feels like it's well made. It doesn't feel plasticky. It is made of this nylon material. Very nice. So that is it for the Zeera wireless charger, cable, and case. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.